Hi everyone, welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. I'm Tom Solid and I'm here to help you to level up your digital life. Today I was actually very excited to test out the new feature that was added to Miro, my beloved mind mapping tool, which is the new pen feature. Apple Pencil support we have now on the iPad with palm rejection and all the other features that I would have expected, and why I'm pretty disappointed we will find out now. Alright, the thing is, they just added a new toolbar on the side, and what you can select there is the pen, highlighter, eraser, shapes tool and so on. I think it is already a step backwards there, because previously I was able to change settings of my pen directly on the toolbar, and now it is just now it's just selecting the different tools. So I have 2 taps to do to actually select my pen. So yes, I can draw with my Apple Pencil now, and it is not as fluent as, for example, in Procreate. There's also no shading or anything like this. I didn't expect this. I was happy that I'm able to draw lines, but that I was able already before. So what they added is palm rejection. Okay. And then they added a highlighter, and I can highlight text. But come on, it is just an overlay of the text with this highlighter. I would have loved if I highlighted text and the text gets actually highlighted, okay, properly, annotated. That there's no point in highlighting text and then moving around the text and the highlight stays there where it is. That makes no sense. So I can save some quick access styles, 3 of them actually, to switch between the different styles I set up before. But again, I have to tap twice to actually access them. Then I have an eraser that only allows me to erase full line. I mean, come on guys, we have 2020, end of 2020. There is a lot more to offer on the iPad OS. And I was really looking forward to this release. That's just basic pen style you added there to Miro. And I think you really have to work on this already, only for these things I already mentioned. But then it goes further. We have the shape tool. Yeah, this was there before already. So what I was expecting actually is that I'm able now to draw shapes and write text in it, and the text gets transcribed into proper text. OCR. Yes, I can use the scribble feature for that, but having a conversion tool like Miro provides, for example, this would have been much more convenient, creating actual shapes and building up mind maps this way. So you added a lasso tool. It is just a selection tool. And talking about selection, yes, now I can draw around shapes to make it easier to select things, but come on, I actually have to switch tools in order to select my objects. I can't use my finger to hold down and select things. I have to switch to the selection tool. This is really a step backward. So also when I'm drawing shapes and lines and so on, they can't be added. You can just change the size of it, change thickness of lines and change the color. But when I look at how powerful Miro is when it comes to, reorganizing arrows and so on, you have the option there already to change lines. So there's no point for me to draw a line that I can't actually adjust afterwards or smooth it out automatically or anything like this. There's so many more options you could have done by adding this. So overall, this is no reason for me to be excited about. There's no advantage using an Apple Pencil for Miro. This is really something where you miss the opportunity to step up the game against other mind mapping tools to implement proper intuitive usage of an Apple Pencil. And especially that I have to switch tools all the time in order to manage my things. There's no advantage over the old tool. So sorry people, I thought I can tell you now how exciting this new update is, but it isn't. And I hope Miro will listen, and I hope Miro will deliver. If you want to stay tuned about this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because obviously when they release a new update about Miro, and I really hope they will do, because usually I'm really excited about what they publish, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you up next time.